Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to tell you how I made this beautiful and healthy superfood pasta. And it is made with very simple ingredient, but it is very tasty. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So first we need some fresh spinach, and I am going to make a paste out of it. I just washed it and choose the good leaves. Here I am going to make paste of it, and you see it looks so much right now, but with the spinach it happens that you take the whole forest and it becomes only a bowl of spinach. So I added some water to it, and spinach is basically a vegetable and a very nutritious vegetable, but it has a lot of water. I added some water to make a paste out of it. So that's about 250 gram of spinach. In the meantime, I boiled some water, and I am going to add some pasta to it. I am trying to be a bit wheat free, so I am making an alternative pasta. So this thing in German called Dinkel, and in English it is called the Spelt pasta. And Dinkel is basically a less genetically modified form of wheat. So I added half packet of Dinkel pasta to it, and I will let it cook for about 14 minutes. So now we need yeast extract, garlic, any kind of nut. These are frozen herbs. And now I will mix everything and grind. Now I heated good amount of olive oil, and I am going to add this pesto sauce and yeast extract. So you see how beautiful it looks, and the whole kitchen is smelling so great because it has garlic and all those herbs. Now I am going to add boiled pasta to it, and I am not going to add any salt to it because Junior Indian soul is very small now, so we are not going to give her any salt. So this pasta is ready, and just enjoy it. You can add salt and pepper for sure, and yeah, have a nice day. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and like, comment and share this video. Good appetit.